Well, Devin, it's that time of year again. Have you been a good reindeer? Are you looking for some extra treats this year? Because you know, it's almost Christmas. Here at Grumbles Homestead, we're getting the reindeer ready.
Chicken
Reindeer,
soup with Grumbles.
how's it going, reindeer? You want a treat?
What an awesome meal.
You've been a good reindeer. You gonna fly me around the world? No, I'm not Santa. Santa's asked me to help him out raising some of these reindeer for him on big flight. So we're getting everything ready at the homestead. Look at Aiden's all dirty. We got the reindeer going. There's mystery reindeer. How are you, girl? Are you good? You gonna be a good reindeer for Christmas? Maybe you get some extra hay, maybe a couple apple treats. Oh, that reindeer got amputated. This reindeer is ready to rock and roll. Old Huey reindeer is always ready to go. Well, look at who we got here. It's a little elf. Why, it's Eddie Elf. How's it going, Eddie Elf?
Yeah, oh, not much.
Not much. You mean not bad?
Not bad, no.
Yeah, you already been drinking?
Nope.
That's
Never
good. This
even
is a
opened up
family
bottle.
show. Well, hey, you got anything to say, anybody?
Well, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
A happy New Year.
And enjoy yourself and drive careful out there.
Drive careful. Eddie's always about being safety first, right?
Yep.
Safety first is the way to go,
Yep.
is it not?
Yeah.
Well, give old Grumbles Homestead a nice wave and say, everybody be good.
Yep. Everybody be good and be careful and enjoy yourself. Enjoy the holidays.
And a big wave.
In a big way.
All right, take care, Eddie Elf. Bye.
Bye.
This farm can be kind of chaotic sometimes. Kind of like when you're carrying a feed bag on your shoulder and you slip on the ice. But anyways, your comments and your likes and your shares make all this worthwhile. All these chickens, they're happy because I share your comments with them. I share your likes with them, and they just want to keep it going. So from Trevor and the rest of us at Grumbles Homestead, all animals of walks in life, I'd like to take this time and wish you and yours a very, very happy holidays. Take care. Love each other. So from everybody else here at Grumbles Homestead, we'd like to wish you and everybody in your family a very happy holidays and a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Throw down a comment, like, and everybody, take care.
No, you can't have mine.